Namaste everyone. I am Neetu Somani, your host and moderator for today. I am a yoga instructor and yoga therapist from Singapore. It is a great pleasure and honor to be amongst such great dignitaries and speakers today. आप सभी का मैं तहे दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ. As you all know, 21st June is the International Day of Yoga, and we have started the celebrations already. YouthNews.online, in association with National Youth Foundation, Indian Yoga Association, and Parmarth Niketan Ashram have organized International Yoga e-conclave, and today is the second day. We have some renowned and eminent speakers from all over the world to enlighten us. Yesterday was the first day of the conclave, and we had the privilege to listen to many spiritual gurus and yoga masters from all over the world sharing their wisdom and knowledge with us. It is my pleasure to extend a cheerful welcome to all of you for the second day of International Yoga e-conclave 2021. I would like to thank the sponsors of the conclave, who are City Montessori School, Vishwa and Vyasa Canada, the Art of Living Foundation, Hum Purna Yoga Institute, Sarva Yoga International, Resonance the Yoga Studio, International Naturopathy Organization, SBPASS, World Yoga Federation, Yoga Alliance International, Sunmark Event Expert, Adhyatma Yoga Kendra, Soham Department of Yoga and Naturopathy, MJ College, Jalgaon, Anand Ashram Pondicherry, Dr. Nutan Ayurveda and Garbh Sanskar Academy, Manav Dharam Argentinian Hindu Parishad. Thank you all. The reach and spread of yoga today spans across continents. There are communities of yoga practitioners in almost every country in the world today. In order to benefit fully from yoga, to understand yoga in its entirety, we must reflect on who is a yogi. There is a beautiful shlok in Bhagavad Gita where Lord Krishna says, Yasmano dvijate loko, lokano dvijate chayaha, harshamarsh bhayo dvegair, muktoya sachme priyaha. By whom the world is not disturbed, and he who is not disturbed by the world, who is free from joy, impatience, fear, and distress, he is also dear to me. As you all know, we are going through extraordinary times with the pandemic still quite prevalent. As the world battles the COVID-19 pandemic on a war footing, India's traditional system of yoga has been established as a means to boost immunity, improve overall health and well-being. On 20th March 2020, Director General of the WHO also suggested that people could do yoga to maintain their physical and mental health. This will not help you only in the long term, it will also help you to fight COVID-19 if you get it, he suggested.
To welcome you all on behalf of YouthNews.online, Parmarth Niketan Ashram and Indian Yoga Association in the International Yoga e-conclave 2021. आज हमारे बीच में बहुत सारे ऐसे व्यक्तित्व हैं, महान विभूतियां हैं, जिनसे वैसे रूबरू हो पाना शायद मुश्किल होता, लेकिन कोरोना ने काफी सब कुछ आसान कर दिया और शायद हम लोग इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर यहाँ पर ऐसे समय में हैं जबकि पूरा देश कोरोना से जूझ रहा है और ये सही जरूरत है, ये कार्यक्रम इस समय की जरूरत बन चुका है। ऐसे कार्यक्रम में यहाँ आए हुए सभी अतिथियों का, यहाँ पर आए हुए सभी महान विभूतियों का मैं हार्दिक स्वागत, वंदन एवं अभिनंदन करता हूँ। This event is organized by YouthNews.online in association with Indian Yoga Association, Parmarth Niketan Ashram and Indian Yoga and National Youth Foundation. This event is supported by City Montessori School, Vishwa and Vyasa Canada, the Art of Living Foundation, Hanspurna Yoga Institute, Sarva Yoga International, Resonance the Yoga Institute, International Naturopathy Organization, SB Pass, World Yoga Federation, Yoga Alliance International, Sanmarg Event International, Adhyatma Yoga Kendra, Soham Department of Yoga and Naturopathy, MJ College, Jalgaon, Ananda Ashram, Pondicherry, Dr. Nutan Ayurveda at Garbh Sanskar Academy, Manav Dharma Argentina, Hindu Parishad. We'd like to welcome everyone on board. We would like to welcome Mr. Ravi Tripathi, Indian Idol finalist, and who represented India internationally in Asian Games. We would like to welcome chief guest, Dr. H.R. Nagendra Guruji. He has joined us. We welcome you all on behalf of our entire team and on the behalf of the supporting organizations. We would like to welcome Ms. Bhanumati Narasimhan, the chairperson, Women Empowerment and Child Care Programs from Art of Living Foundation. We would like to welcome Dr. Jagdish Gandhi, founder, CMS Group of Institutions. We would like to welcome Dr. Ananda Balyogi Bhavnani ji, Chairman ICYER and Yoganjali Natyalam. We would like to welcome Subodh Tiwari ji, Vice President, Indian Yoga Association and Founder Director, Kaivalya Dham. We would like to welcome Sarita P. Naik, the founder of UGLC and the faculty of AYG Academy. We would like to welcome Dr. Ishwar K. Baswareddy, Director, Murarji Desai National Institute of Yoga, Dr. Vishwas Manlik ji, founder, Yoga Vidya Dham, Swamini Durga Saraswati ji, the faculty, Peter Rosina, founder, Project Peace Lights, Aparna Das, President, ISKCON Temple, Dr. Satyendra Kumar Mishra, faculty member, Faculty of Yoga and Alternative Medicine, Lucknow University. We would like to welcome you all on board for making this event a memorable event. And एक बार पुनः यहाँ आए हुए सभी अतिथियों का मैं अपनी संस्था youthnews.online की तरफ से, परमार्थ निकेतन आश्रम की तरफ से, नेशनल यूथ फाउंडेशन की तरफ से और इंडियन योगा एसोसिएशन की तरफ से हार्दिक स्वागत, वंदन एवं अभिनंदन करता हूं और इस कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए अपने होस्ट से अनुरोध करता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Yeah, now we will have our next guest for today. अब मैं स्वागत करना चाहूंगी डॉक्टर आनंद बाल योगी जी भवनानी जी का, who is the chairman of ICYER and Yoganjali Natyalam. He will be talking about how Nad Yoga can help us with stress management. Let's all hear from Dr. Anand Bal Yogi ji himself now. I welcome you.
Thank you so much. It's such a pleasure to be with all of you. Namaskar, namaskaram, namaste, vandanam, swagatam. And for different people from different parts of the world, bonjour, buongiorno, buonasera, buonanotte, depending on which part of the world you are joining us for this amazing international e-conclave of yoga. And the Youth Online News, Himanshu ji is doing an amazing job and bringing us all together. Coming together is yoga. Yoga ka matlab hai union, to come together, communion, reunion. So this is a chance for us all to come together in the spirit of yoga, which is unity, and the whole world comes together. I wanted to share a few thoughts today in a very short time on Nad Yoga and the importance on stress management, especially at this point in human history. We are facing one of the greatest challenges humanity has faced till date. And the threat is not just the threat of the virus. The virus is one pandemic. The second pandemic is of the fear psychosis. We are in Bhayam. That Bhaya is leading to a depression of the immunity, depression of our capacity to fight the virus itself. So we are having the pandemic of the virus. We are having the pandemic of fear, the pandemic of lowered immunity, leading to new problems like the black fungus that we are finding these days. And on top of that, the next pandemic is of the mental health crisis. Because everybody being in lockdown, everybody not knowing what is going to happen, it is affecting our mental health status. So yoga has a very important path. One of the marga is Nad Yoga, where we use the vibration of sound. And one of the best vibration, according to Maharishi Patanjali himself, is tasya vachakah pranavah, and utilizing the sound of Om. And this utilization of the pranava is one of the best anti-stress, antidepressant that we can ever find in human history. No modern medical antidepressant has the power of the pranava. And when we chant it, maybe all close our eyes and chant this a few times, okay? So just sitting straight with your spine well aligned, head, neck aligned. Let us take in a deep breath. Again, taking in a deep breath. Once more, taking in a deep breath. As soon as you chant the Omkar, as soon as you chant the pranava, you are attuning yourself with the cosmos. Immediately, the whole cosmos is on your team. You don't need Virat Kohli and Sachin Tendulkar and Sehwag. You have God. You have the divine. Bhagavan, Bhagavati is on your side. Bhagavan Sharanam, Bhagavati Sharanam is on your side. Your team is so strong because you have attuned with the cosmos. The cosmic vibration is that akara, ukara, makara. Aum, becoming Om. So one of the simplest ways, the easiest ways if you want to attune yourself is the pranava japa, which should be done tadartha bhavanam, understanding the meaning and with feeling. Both the head, which understands meaning, and the heart, which has feeling, has to work together. Otherwise, uska koi matlab nahi hai. It will not work at all. The artha and the bhavana dono ek saath jodna chahiye. They have to go together, hand in glove today. They have to go together. The second concept is Tirumoolar, the great Siddha of South India. He has said to attune our chakras, the Shat chakras, he has given us the beautiful mechanism, which is the Panchakshara japa of Om Namah Shivaya. And when you chant the Na, you are working with Mooladhara, Ma Swadhisthana. So Na, Ma, Shi with the Manipura. And so when you are coming up, Om Namah Shivaya. And then the Omkar now is flooding into all the Andacharachara chakras. You have worked with the Pinda chakras, the spinal centers, which are the 5. Namah Shivaya for the Pinda chakras and the Om going into the Anda chakras. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om. And through this, you are aligning yourself. So the Omkar is one way to align yourself. The Panchakshara japa, Om Namah Shivaya, is another way to align yourself. Another way to align yourself and have a sense of peacefulness is to get all your connections in your brain working together. And for that, we have a Nada Pranayama called the Brahmari Pranayama, where we are using that sound of the bee. And when you are making that sound, what you are doing is all the neuronal connections in your brain, they are all getting invigorated. The energy is flowing through your whole nervous system, your whole interneuronal connections. Trillions and trillions of neuronal connections are all working together. And if you do it with the Shanmukhi Mudra, you are enhancing the benefit, because Shanmukhi Mudra induces a Pratyahara state. You start to go inside. Antarmukha yatra starts. Rather, we are always going Bahiramukha. Our senses are pulling outside, externally always, looking for food. That is why Pratyahara is to go within. And performing the Shanmukhi Mudra or Yoni Mudra, doing the Brahmari Pranayama is another amazing technique. So Pranava, Japa, the Panchakshara Japa, the Brahmari Pranayama. But then you know what? There is something very, very simple we can all do. It is to release all the tensions that we are holding. We are holding the tension. We are holding it in the abdominal region. And you need to release that tension by going ha, 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 ha. When you make a beautiful sound of the ha, you are releasing the tension from the abdominal region, from the chest. Ho, 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 ho. And suddenly all the emotional tension, relationship tension, because of Corona, we are all locked at home. Emotional tension, family tension is at the peak today. So what do? Ho, 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 ho. Laugh it out. And then you come up to the upper chest region where all the job tension is there, professional tension. He. And what has happened? You have worked with all levels of tension. Ha, 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 ha. Ho, 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 ho. He. And you are bringing up all the tension. Then what do you have to do? You have to realize all your tension is because of your survival. Abhinivesha klesha. Swarasabahi vidusho abhi samarudaha. Abhinivesha, says Maharishi Patanjali in the Yoga Darshana. That Abhinivesha you have to address. You have to go me. Understand how we have got stuck in me and mine. You have to change your whole consciousness from the survival instinct to one of living, sharing and caring will come from here, the buddhi. You're activating the buddhi, letting that consciousness come into the power of choice. The power of choice is the superpower of being human, and you're activating it. And then you are throwing it all, sarvam brahmamayam. What you are doing? Go. And you throw it all away and you feel so light. So you can please do with me. Keep yourself muted, otherwise it will be too noisy. But please do with me three rounds of each one. Ha, 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 ha. Ha, 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 ha. Ha, 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 ha. Ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho. He. He. Me. Di. Go. Ha. Ho. He. Me. Di. Go. Ha. Ho. He. Me. Di. Go. And you let go of all your tensions. When you let go of your tension, you can go into a state of relaxation. As Guruji was telling us today, the state of rest, relaxation, recuperation, rejuvenation, repair. That is where we can rebuild all our resources and we can become the best version of ourselves in this state of humanity. Be the best version of yourself. Be the strongest link in humanity and let the chain of humanity come together, grow strong and overcome the challenge we are facing today. That is my sankalpa, that is my prarthana. May we all come together. Each one of us is a link in the chain of humanity. Let us be strong. Let us be compassionate. Let us be loving, caring, and sharing. And let us overcome this crisis. May that be the reality. Hari Om Tat Sat. Dhanyavadaha. Mercy, Danke, Nandri, Vanakkam. Thank you so much.